What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. And today we're going to be playing Subway Surfers. And we're going to be trying to get the super jackpot because it is Tuesday. So yeah, let's try to find that. Where is that at? Yeah, it's Tuesday, so it's the Tuesday thing with the mystery boxes. So yeah, we're gonna buy this one. Just one time. $40,000 coins. And we're gonna upgrade. We're gonna buy the mystery box a bunch of times. So far getting a little bit of coins and a bunch of hoverboards. Really all I'm looking for is the hoverboard, the head starts, and the coins. So, and some of the other stuff like spike stuff and Journeys or whatever his name is. They're like stuff, so I can unlock all the skins in the game that are possible to unlock, which would be really cool. I'm trying to get the jackpot so I can finish off my boost and so I can just have a bunch of coins. So yeah, it's gonna be really fun. Oh, a new trophy. I have no clue what that was. I clicked too fast. I've never gotten a jackpot before, so this would be my first one. So, it'd be really cool if we could get one. Ooh, we got the heart outfit. That's cool. I hate whenever I do that. And we're not really losing a lot of coins. We haven't went past 30,000 yet. Why do I keep doing that? But, yeah, we aren't really getting a lot. But, that's alright. Because we have a lot of coins to spend. Okay, they're kind of holding off on the coins, so we're not really getting much. Most we really are getting is 300, and we're getting a bunch of tricky hats. Oh, 2,500 bet. That's good. We're getting a bunch of head starts and boost things. Utani, that's what I'm saying. We need Utani, Spike, all those. I think it's definitely worth it to buy coins because it's kind of helpful. Plus, it's not very expensive either. And I just got my new high score of 2 something million. But yeah, I'm really happy about that. And we're getting a lot of hoverboards, which cost a lot. So for 500, we got 600 worth of hoverboards. So I'm pretty sure it's worth it. And sometimes we're losing some money. Like when we get the 300 coins, we're losing 200. But we make a lot of money back. Like right there, we made triple the money we spent. So we got 1,000 back pretty much. And what I really want is the jackpot. Like, I really want that. So I can double it and get 1.8 million coins. I'm definitely going to screenshot it a lot. So, yeah, the only reason we're doing this is because, like, I want to upgrade all my stuff. And plus, like, I don't have a lot of skins, and I kind of want some of the new characters. Oh, 2 head starts. 2 head starts. That's good. Just in one. Okay, we're losing a lot of money, but it's okay. Because this is the reason we bought the money. So that's why I'm gonna spend it all. I got it for this, so I'm just gonna use it on this. I think we're gonna stop at spending at I think maybe 10,000, because I don't want to use all of the money, because I like saving some. You know what? No, let's go all out. We're gonna spend it all. It's not that hard to make 10,000 back, because I have double coins. Oops. I'm just really excited, and I just want to buy more of these. Oh, and where is the super crates at where you buy them? I can't really find it. No clue where they are. We're getting really unlucky. I think. Oh, yes. I like the trophies because if I finish that, it gives me keys. And keys are expensive. They don't cost coins, they're just hard to get. Like, I had 100 and something earlier, and I'm going to show you what I did with 105 earlier. It's really weird what I did with it, but it's helpful. That's how I got my score. It helped me a lot getting my score. I'm not getting a lot of good stuff, but that's really okay. Because, we're getting a lot of stuff, but we're not getting that good of stuff. We've gotten a few characters already. We've gotten the new Jake one, and we got the heart skin for, I forget her name, Tricky. We're getting a lot of Spike's guitars and Utani's ring pops, or whatever they are. Alright, we're down to the last 3,000. See, I'm just spamming it, so hopefully, it'd be pretty cool if I get the last skin for, Tricky. I only need 4 more hats. Spikes, stings, those coins. There we go. The camera outfit. Microphone. Alright, this is the last one. Okay, I think we made our money's worth, to be honest. Another one of these. I think we made our money's worth. What we're gonna do real quick is, I didn't mean to do that. Find a barrier and crash into it. Cause I want to finish my mission sets. Yeah, I need to crash into 7 more, now 6. So only a little bit more. Three more. That doesn't count, okay. I was just seeing because No. Oh. I want to see something. I need one where there's not a train in the middle. Where it's like open where I can like side swipe it. Okay, I'm just gonna crash because I'm almost done. I don't know if that counts. Perfect, right here. Crap. Yes, I think that counted, right? Yes, I did. And the last one, boom. Stumble into 15 barriers, done. Home. I know. So let's do this. I have no clue what that was. I'm gonna do these. So yeah. So that's what that video was about. Change my character. I haven't used this guy yet. And then, oh, here's the board. So I did the monster and I fully maxed it out. Super speed, super jump is really overpowered. That's why I did it. Okay. So now, exactly 120. And then just die. And then a little bit more. No! Okay, I need to quit. Well, I need to collect 60 because I have double coins. I've collected 32. Something like that. And then die. Perfect. Exactly 120. And let's go down to it. 801. Wait, but I can't do that. Oh no. How will I do that? I'm trying to collect 800 and see what it does. $801. So we don't want that magnet. We want one more coin. Okay, yeah, 802 sounds good to me. $810? Oh my gosh. I thought it said 801. I feel dumb. You literally need to collect 405 coins. I want a jetpack. That'll be very good. Alright, I'll see you whenever I'm done with this. Okay, so we're very close to being done. We only need a little bit more coins. No! Okay. It's okay. I will see you again whenever I'm done. or like an update. I'll update. Okay, we are back and we did it. I wonder what the diamond one is. 2012 coins. Alright, we are gonna do this one together, and then we're done with this video. This one's gonna be a little bit harder because it's like an odd number. There's like invisible barriers. Okay, I'm watching that number very carefully. No! I'm joking. It's fine. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. We're gonna watch an ad together. Oh no! It's a jetpack. We died. Oh, that sucks. Well, poop. This is Stealth Gaming, and if you like this video, please consider liking, subscribing, and turning on the bell so you don't miss another post on this channel. And if you didn't hear me in the beginning, this is Stealth Gaming, and we're out.